Welcome to your Pacific Northwest slice of paradise in coveted Cedar Mill. Perched on a knoll and sited on 0.79 acres is an adorable, lovingly and well cared for 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-level home. It's situated in a serene park-like setting with raised garden beds and a fire pit, plus a detached garage, shop, and ADU. The oversized 24 by 27-foot garage features a built-in workbench. Heading inside, the interior of the sweet home features beautiful wood-beam ceilings, an inviting living room with a gas fireplace with certified insert. It opens to the dining room, flexible as a family room with abundant natural light. The kitchen is well appointed with tons of storage space. And has a cozy breakfast nook. You'll find 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a central HVAC system, and Berber carpet throughout. The large cedar deck is ready for entertaining in this tranquil setting. The 24 by 40-foot shop has 220-amp electricity, water, and cabinets. Atop the shop is an ADU with a framed-out interior, partial fir ceilings, and oak floors. You'll love this convenient location with its top-rated schools, easy access to the high-tech corridor, Nike, Highway 26, and Highway 217. A fantastic opportunity, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Barbara Case with Premier Property Group.